either.
What is your name?
My name is Edgar.
Where are you now?
Oh, I am in the Nanyang Technological University in Singapore.
Tell me what is nice to eat here.
The Vietnamese food in Canteen A is pretty good.
What is the weather today?
The weather now in Singapore is broken clouds.
What is the time now?
Right now, do I look like a clock? The 4th of January 2016, 21:57 and 43 seconds.
Tell me more about Changi Airport.
Singapore Changi Airport, or simply Changi Airport, is the primary civilian airport for Singapore and one of the largest transportation hubs in Southeast Asia. It is currently the world's best airport and is one of the world's busiest airports by international passenger traffic and cargo traffic.
Thank you.
You are quite welcome.